Bathi ibhola lethu, ibhola lama-Grootman, ibhola lama-Sister, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Masithi namaphethelo ke sesibala iAfrika ke, and by the look of things ngathi khona i-team ucoach onyekayo ne-Pirates eAfrika. Abayakhala ayakhala amabhakani yathi ayasikaze thina sashiye nje 6 points kanjalo nga-first 2 games. Ngiphethe out yami umaphumulo sizoyihlaziya le game yafanda uGrand mfowethu.
Hayi mfowethu, hayi khala kusiza kodwa siyakhala. Hayi kubi hayi.
Bana amabhakaniya athi thina besinama player wethu and bewadlala grand. Asali sithengile equality but aswa introduce slowly. What's your take ngegame yafanda no coach?
Hayi mnganami yabona khona ukuthi umuntu umbone ukuthi yabo le yayenzayo hayi naye akayazi. Hayi akayazi. So yabona nje so far the way yena adlalisa ngakhona mhlambe naye une idea enyane esingayazi ukuthi like izospana kanjani, but so far yonke into ayezama ukuthi ayenze hayi so far isahamba wrong. Hayi isahamba wrong mnganami.
But you guys were happy ngegame riding yePolokwane City nithi coach uneplan. What changed?
Yeah, le game obviously bebasazama ukuthi bazama ukuimpress ucoach, ba impressa thina ama supporter yabona yonke lo nyaka nya. So sharp bas impressa Grand, but after that wenzani as a coach buyela back to kulento i-team edlala ngakhona yabona, because I mean uRiviero ushi foundation emnandi like a solid ukuthi mfethu kulento engiyenzile sebenzela phezukwayo simple. Hayi le ayenze hayi futhi yanamhlanje yona.
So siyasibonile usithwikile kancane i-riding squad sakhe Vandag beka umbule bekasebhenchini u-riding umfukeni uqala ebhenchini. Amabhakaniya were happy ngalo ma changes. What's your take about that?
Yeah, nami ngihappy da kakhulu futhi. Yeah, ngihappy kakhulu. Okungijabulisile ukubona uMahopa adlala because it's been long man angadlali since lo coach akhona. I think beku game yes3 angamdlalisi. I mean sonke siyamazi uMahopa ukuthi akusile strike ukuthi sikhawa amabhola senza involved ku play. Siyamaka ukhona siya-attack ukhona, so i-ball player yabona more than a striker kahle but nje uyi-ball player. So ngibe happy kakhulu nanokuthi the time ukungena kwakhe iPirates iyabonisa ukuthi iyenzani manje, purpose yayo yini kahle yabona. And I mean iPirates is a big team, so okuye nokunye mfethu yabona Radio Pane mela khuphula amasokisi man, mela khuphula amasokisi. He is a good player but for me ngibona i-striker. I don't think kubafana ijezi limhleli kahle. Mela ayobona lapha kweorbit naye njengabosali.
So you saying he's not a Pirates material?
Akusi Pirates material. Yabona nanokuthini ezinye izinto ngibone fana nalo mfano bathi bani Mashilwane. Yes ubugayi umnandi but I think ufaka ku deep end no. Yabona ufaka ku deep end because iPirates ayikabi le Pirates esifuna ukuthi ibe yiyo ngalendlela ekumele ibe yiyo ngakhona. I mean iPirates is a big team yabona, so wakhela phezulu kwento ekhona. Wakhela phezulu kwento ekhona mawuzofuna ukuqala something ngento ekhona. I mean ama mistakes aka coach mina ngwabone like namhlanje from the previous game uShanda udlalile he had a bad game. Why umdropa? I mean why umdropa? Mka a chance. So this guy uMashilwane uyadlala uyaflopa last game yambuyisa for this game. Why not be consistent ke wenze lento yenze kuShanda sibone ukuthi okay at least uba consistent entweni so just like uRiviero besimazi ukuthi uzodonsa uShanda afake uLibitso or afake uVan Rooyen yabona like for like because uattacker ngama right ngama defender wakhe yabona. So mawukuthi uyenzile lento manje yenze futhi na next week sibone ukuthi kanjani ama results. Last uShanda zanga asiluzanga, so we can't fault him sithi uShanda had a bad game ngaleyo ndlela.
So are you saying you prefer uShanda over uVan Rooyen?
Anytime nganami. The reason why ngithi uShanda is good, must attack, is good, must defend. Yes, maybe unama lawo ma mistake understand ukuthi naye I mean okay uyashota lapho nalapho, but uVan Rooyen is a good player. He's a good player but uVan Rooyen all the time uyimela ama player adlale angathi uyazikhohla makumele abuye sizomaka yabona. So lo mfana lo uMashilwane he's good when it comes to marking, but makumele afaka ama cross uyaphambili akakwazi ukufaka ibhola eboxini kahle. So sashoda lokho nalokho, but we can't have iplayer likwazi ukwenza lokhu alikwazi ukwenza. I mean Pirates is a big team,
sure. And they need to take league find naku cap
ngana so simelwe into ezibhaya iCAF, ileague, iMTN 8, iNetbank yabona. I mean sidlalela zonke lezi zinto already. I don't see us manje sikwi race league futhi. I mean
because every game counts.
Exactly.
Every game counts. Ngonele Tsamba yenza i-substitute lapha yana bakhipha uMuremi for Mofokeng. You were not happy about that?
I was not happy mnganami. I was not happy. I thought bazokhipha uApolis. Njoba ngisho be consistent. Into yemoyenza qhubeka nawo libelo yenza. Angithi siyabona past two games if I'm not mistaken esesidlalile Apolis akayiqedi game. So hence uthatha uMofokeng ngambeka ngaphandle. Umuremi is having a good game. Uyabahlula uyabashiya nana. So donsa uApolis faka uMofokeng. uApolis uMofokeng udlala ngo right, uMuremi udlala ngo left. So iyabalance le mina ngibona ngakho.
Bangene ngapha nangapha sure.
Exactly. So manje unama player adlala ngo right. Benza into eyi1 lo uyacrossa na lo ucrossele ball nalo uyacross akunaku ukuthi khona okhabele epalini yabona. uMofokeng makaza ngapha lo at least uyakwazi ukufaka amabhola ebhola. So be consistent into ayenzayo coaches yabona. I think mangazama ukuthi ayibone naye lento ukuthi okay ngakha ngenza lento manje yabona. So lo mele adlale ngalendlela, lo adlale ngalendlela, but isikhathi salonto sidlulile because I mean pre-season is for that.
So kuyacompete manje, and I think you've got about 4 if not 5 days ukuthi uzodlala neSundowns. What would you change njengoba uzoface iSundowns manje?
Yabona mnganami leyo ayileyo kuyoba i-disaster le. iSundowns iyakora. iSundowns iyakora. Thina past 3 games sayidlalile sakora how many goals? 3. If I'm not mistaken, sakora 3 goals.
Sure.
And siya concede 3 goals still, which means in a way kufana nabantu abangakakori. Kufana nabantu abangakakori. So Sundowns okay, Sundowns is not a big team, man. It's just bamnandi. Yabona bamnandi baphethe quality as much as njengoba nePirates iphethe quality. I think le game izoba mnandi. But manje ngiyayisaba mina mnganami.
Bathi coach ayophuma shaya wala.
Loya mela ngena sa stadium akathi acela leave. Akavela athatha isick leave nje coach isuncikazi at least mazidliwe ngeke simplay so vele bekangekho. Yabona because nje mfethu.
But also you saying uncikazi akana input kuyo yonke lento enzakalayo. Uthulile nje ne coach is doing riding on his own.
Yabona mayikanje ne mina I believe ukuthi bekumele kube khona izinto ezisho, but as sibona ukuthi ama changes avele enzeka ngalendlela enzeka ngakhona, it shows ukuthi akana say. Yabona ukhona nje la. Yabona into akhona ukuthi maybe uyabheka ukuthi okay ubani ufit ubani unfit, then maybe lo singamfaka because mina I'm still trying to figure out ukuthi how did he come about ukuthi abenche uMakhawula if akalimelanga. Yabona uMbatha wayangadlali. Yabona okay sharp bayadlala uyadlala uNduli is good. Bonke labantu bayadlala they are good, but some players lapha I mean I don't think materially Pirates ukwayiba ulomjita lo usibelebele. Yes babadlala emathimini wabo they were good playing there.
That's just Pirates.
Not kuphakaniya mngana.
So sivala mfana, are you saying you scared facing iSundowns this Saturday? Kumele ulungise izinto zakho.
Big time.
Awukabi mnandi.
Big time. Yabona into engisabela ukuqala iPirates ayina goalkeeper. iPirates ayina striker. Because I mean if uzoqala igame futhi ngo Radio Pane, what are you expecting? You understand already ngeke score ngo Radio Pane.
Sure.
Uchayine I mean keeper wethu yes maybe asina choice because mele sistike kuye, but I mean I believe ukuthi maybe nikeza abanye abagoalkeeper chance
because ngale goal lesi2 ngiyabona beyangazi ukuthi aphume
so nikeza abanye abagoalkeeper chance ukhona udladla amagayi game time. Maybe if udlalisa bona bodladla ke against abo Marumo Gallants, against abo Obiti sazobabona nabo. But mina nje for mina Pirates ayina keeper, idinga goalkeeper, idinga striker. Lapho nje mfethu lapho mngana nami lapho
isadika seyithenge quality ekhaya.
Sithenga ama players singawadingi. Ngiyabona sithenga ama players esingawadingi. Yabona angazi amanye ama team asayine kanjani so far, but iPirates ama player wasayinile. Yes, isquad sine depth isquadini, ama players wasayinile ukuthi makulimala lo at least kune replacement nana, but if uyalimala, if akalimelanga akadlali. Yabona akadlali. What's the reason why umbatha angadlali? Why Van Rooyen angadlali? Why uShandu angadlali? You understand? So why uMabasa angadlali? He's our striker. uMabasa uyena umuntu esazi ukuthi uscorela ama goals. Yes, even ne formation if uyabona ukuthi le ayisebenzeli as a coach uyayichange. You understand? Go with two strikers. There's nothing wrong ngale nto le because egcineni ama results noma ungadlala beautiful football but kumele uwagrind ama results. Into ebalekile sifuna ama results thina. Nengisho ungadlala itikitaka nenze 5000 touches as long i-team ikorile nidliwe uchayile.
Ibhola lethu ibhola lama Grootman lama Sisters lomzansi namaphethelo siyabonga bafethu.